So, another day, another painting project. And today is going to be a Dutch blow, Dutch pour, and I'm using all metallic paints except for a violet and a purple gray I should say, and the rest are going to be metallics. And so I'm hoping this will look something interesting. The last painting I did, I had a comment came back that was the one that was quite in your face colors. It was called Moab, and the comment was that my painting looked a little a cross between a child of Claude Monet and Salvador Dali, and I thought that was kind of funny, and I took it as a compliment. Artists strive their whole life to have their own style, so I got mine pretty close to the beginning of this paint pour episode. So anyway, I was happy with that, and I couldn't disagree with it because that painting was a little bizarre. So with that, I am going to have a fun one this morning, trying something different as usual. I haven't done almost all metallics. Well, I've done a lot of metallics on a black background, not a white background. So with that in mind, I am going to just start, and we'll see where this leads us. We'll see where it leads us. I got my backsplashes up, so when I get the blower out, I won't be in trouble. So the first one's going to be silver. And then I think I will do antique gold. Yeah. And a touch of, oh boy. Yeah, you know what? I think I'll put a little black there first. And we know how bad black is, so yeah, I'm just going to do a little black. I like black. Sometimes it likes me, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, with that, I am going to do some bright gold or gold. And then I'm going to do some pearl. Remember, these are all metallics. And then the ever popular copper. I know you're probably saying, geez, Richard, what in the world are you doing with all these colors? Well, I'm making a big, pretty mess. Okay, now for the colors. Here's my blue violet, and we'll make this the predominant color here. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of, that's kind of pretty, isn't it? I'm going to add just a little bit of purple, well, purple gray, and I'm going to just do it a little bit. Okay, I think I'm going to put some more of this in here. Okay. Let me move these out of the way because I know I'm going to blow paint. I'm going to blow the paint. Anyway, we're still enjoying the lockdown here in the Chinese flu or whatever you want to call it. And I'm glad I've got painting, otherwise I might go crazy. All right, you know what this calls for. I'm putting my wings, my plastic wings up, and here we go. Okay, this is a kind of a quick one today. I already had the white done ahead of time. Oh, I know, one more thing. We need to do the blow over white. Alrighty. That's exciting. I don't care what you say. Here we go. I better slow down. This is going to be over with. Okay, here we go. On low. Alrighty. Keep our fingers crossed to end up with a pleasant outcome and not a Salvador Dali Claude Monet. But if it doesn't turn out good, I'll get out my little blower and I'll make it happen. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Look. Look at me, Ma. I quit blowing. I didn't blow it all into a big mess. Hey, I like it. Let me get my bubble popper out. Got a little bit of bubbles. Well, hopscotch. Look at this. This is turning out not bad. Hot diggity dog. Really? Claude Monet and Salvador Dali would be very proud of me today. I'll be darned. I'll be darned. I'm not even sure I need my lucky McDonald's straw for this one. Colors are looking a pretty good blend. The black, I'm glad I didn't put any more black in there. Me and my black, I don't know. I've got some interesting lacy stuff going on there, and I like it. I really do. I'll turn this off and do the edges, and if I need to do some straw work, I will maybe just give it a little bit of, you know how that is, a little bit of flair. And then we'll come back and do a close-up afterwards. And before I turn this off, I will try to come in and do a tight, well, no, I won't either because it's not letting me. Okay, so I'll be back. All righty. Up. Little jiggly wiggly. There it is up closer. Yeah. Interesting, huh? Alrighty. I'll take the camera down out of the camera holder and we will come up looking on the other side of the table and have a look at it. Alrighty, here we go. Here's a little more up close. I'll bring it in so you can see some of the colors. It really has started interacting a lot. The paints have interacted with themselves just since I stopped fiddling with it with my McDonald's straw a few minutes ago. But I'll just go across it real slow here. The colors did turn out nicely, I think anyway. The evidence of most of them being metallics is not really evident at this point in time. I think that may come up later when it dries. But you can see that it has a personality. Yeah, I like it when they have personalities. And the colors are well together. So I think I'm just going to let this little guy sit here and do its thing. And later, when it's a little drier, I'll take a single photo of it. And we're going to call this a good paint pouring day. And this is Richard saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.